Good morning to all. I hope all are fine. Nice to meet you. Today is the first class for taking art education. Today, for you all, I am going to take origami. You all would have heard about origami, and some of you would also be knowing what is origami and kirigami, the difference between each other. So today, very simple one. It's very useful in day-to-day life. I am going to tell you about how to make a paper cup in a very simple way. See, this is a square paper. A square paper. You just have to take a square paper, and then the way of folding. Only 2-3 foldings are there, and then you will come to a final end. Now you just watch this diagram. I hope you can see this diagram in this video. Here, what is origami? I have given a brief description. Origami means it's a Japanese art of paper folding. So in Japan, they had the art of paper toys, making paper toys through folding method, just to amuse the small kids, and that was the cheap and best method in Japan. So we are taking certain things for our day-to-day usage. This paper cup will be very handy in every walk of life. Only when situation occurs, you will know how to utilize this one. Here I have very simply given the diagram, figure 1, then figure 2, and then figure 3, and figure 4, and figure 5. In figure 1, you can see the square paper in a diamond shape. This for you for a better understanding. And here the arrow is fold. Can you see that arrow fold here? This fold means this tip will be folded back, and this tip will come and touch this tip. So when you fold it here, this tip will come here. So then it will take to this formation. Then the second step, you have to fold this tip to this side, this tip to here, and the third step, this tip will come folded here. So one fold, two fold. So finally in the fourth one you will get like this. This is the second step. This has gone inside here, and third step that is overlapped. You understand? So when this is overlapping, this is gone inside, this is the third fold. This has come over this. And the fourth one, you just will find these two flaps, flap 1 and flap 2. This flap 1 has to be folded forward in the front side, and flap 2 at the rear. So when you fold this in the front and at the rear, you will have an opening here. This is the opening, and just you have to put your finger and open it like a glass tumbler, and then after this I will show you, this will be ready. Now you can watch this one, the method. I will show you how to fold it so that you can know. This is a square paper. I hope all of you are seeing. Yes, this, if this is visible, it's more than enough. My face need not be visible. So first I will show you. This is the first step, folding like this, okay, and the second step, folding this way, and the third step is this one, and the fourth step. In the fourth step, this first has to come, the first flap has to come forward, and in the fifth step, this back flap has to go backward, and then you will find this opening. You just have to open, and now this is the final cup is ready. It's perfect. For emergency, you can take a cup of water, but don't have the practice of making regularly this paper cup, because this paper has got some chemical, and in long run it is slightly harmful to the body intake. Now this, you can boldly pour the water. Not even a single drop will come at the bottom. I will show you also. See, I have poured the water. You can see the water inside. Can you see the water inside? Okay. Now this cup is ready. Not even a single drop of water is leaking. It depends upon the paper also. This tip, two tips. Can you see this one? Now I pour this water back to this tumbler.